Inside Out. A journey through the human body's vital organs. Hello and welcome. Today, we will be talking about the main organs in the human body. Our organs work together to keep us healthy and alive, and it's important to understand their functions and how to take care of them. Brain. The brain is one of the most important organs in the human body. It's responsible for controlling our thoughts, emotions, movements, and senses. It's also responsible for regulating many of our bodily functions, such as our heart rate, breathing, and body temperature. The brain is divided into different regions, each of which has a specific function. For example, the frontal lobe is responsible for decision-making and problem-solving, while the occipital lobe processes visual information. Diseases that affect the brain can have a significant impact on a person's quality of life. Alzheimer's disease, for example, is a progressive neurodegenerative disorder that affects memory and cognitive function. Parkinson's disease is a movement disorder that affects the ability to control movements. Taking care of your brain is important for maintaining good health. This includes getting regular exercise, eating a healthy diet, getting enough sleep, and challenging your brain with activities like reading, puzzles, and learning new skills. Heart. The heart is a muscular organ that pumps blood throughout the body. It's located in the chest, slightly to the left of the center of the chest. The heart is responsible for delivering oxygen and nutrients to the body's tissues and removing waste products. The heart has 4 chambers: the right atrium, the right ventricle, the left atrium, and the left ventricle. Blood flows into the right atrium, then into the right ventricle, where it's pumped to the lungs to receive oxygen. The oxygen-rich blood then flows back into the heart, into the left atrium, and then into the left ventricle, which pumps it out to the rest of the body. Heart disease is one of the leading causes of death worldwide. There are many different types of heart disease, including coronary artery disease, heart failure, and arrhythmias. Risk factors for heart disease include high blood pressure, high cholesterol, smoking, obesity, and diabetes. Taking care of your heart is important for maintaining good health. This includes eating a healthy diet, getting regular exercise, managing stress, and avoiding habits like smoking that can damage the heart. If you have risk factors for heart disease, it's important to work with your healthcare provider to manage them and prevent complications. Lungs. The lungs are a pair of spongy, air-filled organs located in the chest, on either side of the heart. Their primary function is to bring oxygen into the body and remove carbon dioxide, which is a waste product. The process of breathing begins when we inhale air through our nose or mouth. The air then travels through the windpipe, which splits into 2 tubes called bronchi, one for each lung. The bronchi divide into smaller tubes called bronchioles, which end in tiny air sacs called alveoli. It's in the alveoli that the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide takes place. There are many diseases that can affect the lungs. Some common lung diseases include asthma, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD, and lung cancer. Smoking is a major cause of many lung diseases, and exposure to pollutants and other environmental factors can also damage the lungs. Taking care of your lungs is important for maintaining good health. This includes avoiding smoking and exposure to pollutants, getting regular exercise, and eating a healthy diet. If you have symptoms of lung disease, such as coughing or difficulty breathing, it's important to see a healthcare provider for diagnosis and treatment. Liver. The liver is the largest organ in the body and is located on the right side of the abdomen, just below the diaphragm. It has many important functions, including filtering toxins and waste products from the blood, producing bile to aid in digestion, and storing vitamins and minerals. The liver plays a crucial role in metabolism, helping to regulate the levels of glucose, cholesterol, and other substances in the blood. It also produces blood clotting factors and helps to break down medications and other substances in the body. There are many diseases that can affect the liver. Some common liver diseases include hepatitis, which is inflammation of the liver caused by a viral infection, cirrhosis, which is scarring of the liver tissue, and liver cancer. Risk factors for liver disease include excessive alcohol consumption, viral infections, and exposure to toxins. Taking care of your liver is important for maintaining good health. This includes avoiding excessive alcohol consumption, eating a healthy diet, and getting regular exercise. If you have risk factors for liver disease, it's important to work with your healthcare provider to manage them and prevent complications. If you have symptoms of liver disease, such as jaundice or abdominal pain, it's important to see a healthcare provider for diagnosis and treatment. Kidneys. The kidneys are two bean-shaped organs located on either side of the spine, near the lower back. They are responsible for filtering waste products and excess fluids from the blood and excreting them in the form of urine. The kidneys also help to regulate blood pressure, produce hormones that stimulate the production of red blood cells, and maintain the balance of electrolytes in the body. There are many diseases that can affect the kidneys. Some common kidney diseases include kidney stones, which are hard deposits that form in the kidneys and can cause severe pain, and chronic kidney disease, CKD, which is a progressive loss of kidney function over time. Risk factors for kidney disease include diabetes, high blood pressure, and a family history of kidney disease. Taking care of your kidneys is important for maintaining good health. This includes staying hydrated by drinking plenty of water, maintaining a healthy weight, avoiding excessive salt and protein in the diet, and managing chronic conditions like diabetes and high blood pressure. If you have risk factors for kidney disease, it's important to work with your healthcare provider to manage them and prevent complications. If you have symptoms of kidney disease, such as blood in the urine or swelling in the legs or feet, it's important to see a healthcare provider for diagnosis and treatment. Conclusion. And that's it. We've covered the main organs in the human body, their functions, and common diseases associated with them. Remember, taking care of your organs is important for maintaining good health. This includes eating a healthy diet, getting regular exercise, and avoiding habits like smoking that can damage your organs. Thanks for watching.